a great choice today with the 2020 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great, comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.